Yes, Dr. Kilroy. I'm visiting some relatives of mine who live in the United States for 2 weeks. That's right. Alright, see you soon.
Jack is going to visit some relatives in the States. No, he doesn't have the notes with him, and they aren't in the house. I checked thoroughly. Alright.
Strange. He was supposed to be here an hour ago. Try calling him. How odd. I think I'll take a taxi.
Are you looking for Mark? He should be home. I saw a strange man enter his house earlier, though.
Strange man?
He was wearing a top hat and a monocle.
That was Sam!
Johnny, thank you. A man came into my house earlier today. He said his name was Sam Sinister. He said he wanted your father's notes on something called the Tide Jewels. I had no idea what he was talking about, though. He tied me up and... Catherine, where is she? Is she alright?
I'll look around. Johnny Thunder, if you ever wish to see Catherine again, then find your father's notes on the location of the Tide Jewels and give them to me. I am waiting at Sapporo, Japan. If you don't arrive in 2 weeks, you'll never see the girl again. Signed, Sam Sinister. This is bad.
Oh no, my poor Catherine.
Don't worry, Mark. I'll get her back for you.
Who is this Sam Sinister guy anyway?
An old enemy. And the man who killed my father.
And what are the Tide Jewels?
That's what I need to find out. Can I use the phone?
Sure, it's over here.
Dr. Kilroy?
Johnny, it's 5 in the morning here. Why are you...
You have to help me, or Sam's gonna kill my relatives.
What?
Sam kidnapped one of them, and won't give her back until I give him my father's notes on something called the Tide Jewels.
The Tide Jewel notes? I remember those. Your father was planning on finding them in Japan, but he never got around to it. I never did find out where his notes went, though.
What are the Tide Jewels, anyway?
The legend goes that an empress named Jingo had a dream in which a spirit told her to conquer what is today Korea. The spirits gave her 2 gems. One would make the sea fierce, the other calm it. But these weren't permanent gifts and soon had to be returned to the wise Dragon King. Later they were given to Jingo's son, Ojin. It is unknown what became of them after Ojin died. Some say they would still be in his palace. Some say the Dragon King would have taken them back.
Thank you, Dr. Kilroy. I'll take things from here.
Be careful, Johnny.
I will. Goodbye.
Well?
Looks like I'm going on a trip to Japan, mate. But there's still something I need. I'm not sure where it is.
The notes?
Yes.
I do remember having some old notebooks and such up in the attic. You want to go check?
Sure.
They should be over here. Ah, here they are.
This is it, alright. Written in my father's handwriting. Thank you, Mark. I promise I'll get your daughter back.
I should be thanking you, Johnny.
Well, we'll see how this goes.